Topwater Tony, back at it again. It is a beautiful Saturday morning in November the 14th, I think it is. And we're going to go to a car show, believe it or not. It is kind of chilly out there. Probably the highs will be like around 50. Right now it's probably in the 40s. So I'm going to bundle up a little bit and we're going to go to a car show down in Monroe. Boom. They're calling it a pop-up car meet from 12 until 5 at Riot Customs, or sponsored by Riot Customs. Not sure, never been there. We are hoping to have a good turnout. Looks like right there it says 72 people interested or going. So we will find out. But first, I got my buddy coming over to pick me up in his McLaren. So this would be my first ride in the McLaren. So we're going to check that out and then hit the car show. All right, here he comes. 2012 McLaren. First ride. Looks like it's low. Sounds good. I don't even know how to get in. Whoa! How do I get in?
When they made this, they didn't believe in door handles. They're censored.
Oh my God.
I'll show you the trick later.
Okay, what's the trick to getting in? Ah, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. Woo! Hey, that's a tight fit. That's what he said. What's up, man? Here's my man, Chris.
Which way are we going here?
Straight. Dead end. Dead end, make a right. Hey, this is pretty cool. I had no idea.
Yeah.
I like it already.
It's a lot smoother than the Viper.
So why did you get rid of the Viper?
It's too bumpy. Every little knick-knack in the road, you can feel it. It just kind of jarred you all over the place, and I don't know. At the end of the day, it's still a Dodge, so it'll still break down like a Dodge.
All right, so it looks like we got the paddle shifts. Is it what, 6-speed, 7?
7.
Okay,
7-speed.
It's a good guess. I like the treatment of the dash. What are these little gizmos for?
To control the heat, you want to turn the AC or the heater on, so you have your own controls over there on the passenger side.
All right, pretty smooth. Just kind of feels like real low to the ground and like riding in a go-kart. Very expensive go-kart.
Very expensive. When they made the MP4, the British didn't believe in door handles, so to get in, it's all censored. When I first got it, there for about 3 to 5 days, I couldn't get it just right. So I'm sure I looked like I was a thief trying to steal the car.
So on both sides, I guess you just put your hands underneath it and it senses that and pops it open?
Yep.
All right. Yeah, I didn't know what to do. I was lost. They might be going, you never know.
Could have swore I seen some blue lights. There they are.
There they are. They don't want you. Okay, let me no more of that, especially with people on the road. So it's kind of quick, huh?
Absolutely, yeah. Took it to the track, and the best time that I did was 11.1, but that's without launch control.
Right.
I don't really know how to use that. Yeah, I've never had a car before that had launch control.
That was the day that the Camaro couple went, right?
Yeah.
I should have went that day.
Yeah.
I kind of remember I was like dead. I was looking forward to the couch. I was tired.
It was a good time.
It's always next year. So how much faster is this one compared to the over the Viper?
Oh, it's
night and day.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, the Viper was pretty quick, you know, from 0 to 60 and whatnot. But this one will take your breath away. And not only that, but it just a lot of these cars, it takes a while for a car to get up to 150 or 160 or 170. You know, it inches along. The McLarens, there's you keep the pedal to the floor, it just continues to accelerate from 130 to 150 to 170, just like nothing.
Huh.
So it's still quick within the top speed.
And that's twin turbo, right?
Yep.
Awesome. It definitely put me back in my seat, or back in the seat. And I didn't like to see those bumpers coming so quick.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Towards us.
The air brake initiates as well.
Okay.
So if we're at a certain speed and the brake, the car senses the brake coming on, the air brake wing will flip up, which is pretty cool.
Right. Have you had many people on the road kind of want to challenge it?
Oh, all the time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy. Motorcycles, vehicles, SUVs that are like 6 cylinders.
Right.
Yeah, just
Chevy SS's and Durangos and stuff like that.
yeah, Ford Ranger.
Rangers, they're not fast.
No.
We got BMW like showing off a little bit. But we got cars right in front of us. He's probably going to the show. So this happens every time you drive it, huh?
Oh yeah, every time.
Oh my god, oh my god.
I won't get stupid like that.
Oh, and I think the exit's coming up too.
Yeah.
Felt that front end raise up a little bit. Oh, brother. Did that BMW get off here too?
I don't know.
I saw him get over, but I don't know if he got all the way over.
Oh, look at that Mustang.
Yeah, that's
pretty
cool. I think I've seen that before.
Are there going to be drinks or food trucks soon?
I hope so.
I know.
I'm glad those brakes are good.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's like I always want a viral video, but not like McLaren crashes on the highway or something like that.
And be riding it on top of that, right?
Man. All right, we are here. We're on time, but it looks like, I guess, since no one's really here, we're kind of early. Bam.
And just push it at the same time you're pulling up on it. Push it.
Oh, okay. Flip phone. You made it.
How'd you get a ride up here with him?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how to get out.
I didn't even know you. I didn't know if you knew. I didn't know you knew him.
Well, we've met. Here we go. Coming out.
I was gonna call you. He's like, where the hell are you at?
We've been here once.
Oh really?
Yeah.
There was no one here, and now there's you here, so there's still no one here.
I feel insulted. Huh?
Did you come to the one that they had last week?
All right, like I said, we're here. I don't know if anybody's gonna show up or not, but we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, and hello America. Give me the official.
Hello, America.
I bet you people's gonna show up a little late. 12:30, 1 o'clock, they'll start rolling in. Mark my words.
Perfect.
car track.
That's crazy. They can figure all that out.
Yeah, everything goes spun. Oh my God, it's unbelievable.
That's what a new Camaro one operates. You can put it down for like 30
Now
miles.
that is badass. I've never seen that before.
It didn't come with a manual. I'm sitting there hitting these buttons. This one right here.
Right.
This one, the car goes up.
So it's got air ride.
I kept hitting and I kept going.
That one got quite a bit.
My cousin was like, "Car's going up and down."
Right down the road sideways.
I seen him. That's sharp.
Yeah.
Of course, you didn't get mine, did you? Barrett Jackson, sometimes get pretty low miles on it. Or Miko. I want it totally different. So that gray kind of hypes it up a little bit.
And one more. Are you the?
You gotta slow it down. I was like, all right, I'm hauling, dude. Yeah, because I'm
All of our Christmas lights are up.
I'll just keep mine.
We can keep yours.
hope for the best.
We got these diehards doing these outdoor car shows in the wintertime.
Not winter yet.
I think it's wintertime.
No, it's actually pretty nice out here, actually. There's no stinking wind. Now, tomorrow, it's one of the days I stay inside.
What's up?
What's up?
Boom. Might be
y'all
the
doing?
last fist bump of the year.
No, it might be one more at how you doing?
Hey, good, you.
It might be one at they having a toy drop next month.
Where?
Next month.
Horsepower farm.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
third? Is it? Yeah.
I bring my
Bring another
snowshoes.
toy.
So that might be
Hey,
the
you
last.
need to-
That might be the last one of the
You need,
year.
to, you need to come to that one.
I do.
Because they have Santa Claus jump out of a plane.
Yeah,
What?
it's gonna be live.
Come on.
Seriously, yes.
Because I know he had the paratroopers
Opie,
jump out.
Opie does it right.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, Santa Claus jumps up and they have a lot
And
of toys
guess
for
what?
kids.
That one place where he had all the cars at,
Yeah.
all the cars moved to another place, and it's all open.
He's making a whole
So
new
if it gets cold,
He's
they
making
got
a whole
tables
new-
and chairs and all
He's
that.
making a whole new building.
Wow.
Yeah, but now he moved the cars from that one building.
Yeah.
There's nothing but tables.
Oh,
chairs
yeah, that's
in
what he's
there now.
building.
Oh,
He's got
wow.
the building done all brick lights. Mine's like inside the window.
traffic than Maya just did it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you must be a nurse then.
This is Gail Halderman signed my car last year when we went with our group. And while I was deployed in New York, my husband had all this done from Dirty Dips Hydrographics in Florence, and they were able to preserve his signature in it, and they wrapped it and hydro-dipped it, and forever it's on my car.
So is there a lot of that COVID in Texas?
Yes, New York too. It has a few more pieces coming. They're at Dirty Dips as we speak.
Yeah, they're never done. They're never done.
Never.
I think I'm done with mine.
My list is ever changing.
I'm starving. All right,
Doing his outro.
we got to go. I'm hungry. We're hungry.
I'm hungry too. Well, in a different way.
There's a different way?
Well, yeah.
Not what I was thinking. Bye, America.
Bye, America. Bye, America. Ain't nothing going on here.
See you later.
Are you leaving?
Yeah, we got to get some grub.
Nice to see you. See you at the next one.
See ya, we got to roll.
She's like,
We got to roll.
She's like, just leave him alone.
Got to get some grub. Gotta go.
Where you getting grub from? Trying. I'm like, he's not trying.
Frickers down by
You're taking advantage. I'm tired of it.
my by the Dayton Mall.
Topwater.
By the Dayton Mall.
Dayton Mall for
Yeah.
I got you.
I guess it's still there. All right, on the road to get some grub.
I gotta stop at Dayton Mall and pay my damn.
And the sun never came out either.
Got the Gestapo after.
All right, see you, flip phone. All right, and just like that, we are almost out of here. All right, I guess we're going to Frickers.
Yeah.
Wish you were here. Boom, 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 boom. That's crazy. It was a late
Bloomer.
latecomer.
Yeah.
Couldn't think of the word.
Must have not been.
Whew. That's crazy.
Yeah, I got it down to 11:1 was my fastest time, but like I said, I wasn't using launch control, so.
What was the mile an hour?
1:30, I believe.
Wow. What'd you do?
Oh, this button here to activate, you go from automatic to using the slap shifts,
Okay.
and it activates the air brake as well.
All right, don't be getting crazy now. Yeah, do whatever you want.
It's looking like it's starting to rain too. Did you get the last time on video?
Yep.
Getting on
I think I did. I'm pretty sure I did. Man,
hit about 1:30 there.
130, guys. You can definitely feel it. Checking for cops, huh?
We are checking for cops. Looks like there's about 4 or 5 reports here, about a half mile up.
He said, we got a McLaren in the area, so we better like stack up on our positions. Yeah, I don't want you to wreck her now. I feel like the thing was like wanting to get loose. Well, it's only because we hit that bump back here.
She actually controls really good. The Viper we would have done made about 360s.
Oh my God.
A couple of donuts in the middle of the interstate. This she stays on the road.
I guess maybe get loose was like a term I shouldn't have used. It wasn't like it was getting loose. It was like, I guess since I've never went that fast, it was like a different sensation. Almost like you're barely touching the ground, so to speak, you know?
Right.
Even though it's really planted.
Right.
Yeah, probably the fastest I've ever been is probably, I don't know, 100.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I've never really had anything that was fast. Hell, maybe not even 100.
A couple of weeks ago when we were doing a few runs, we got it up to about between, I want to say 160 and 170.
Get out of here.
That was the quickest. That was the fastest I've ever been in my life.
Man. I'd start to get a little worried at that speed.
Yeah.
You know, worried about the unknown, like a deer or something flying out, you know? And there'd definitely be no time to stop, that's for sure.
You know, yeah, no, you're right. It's the unknown, because I'm not too worried about my driving.
Right.
It's others on the road making that, like trying to get out of the way or
Changing lanes on you.
changing lanes or that deer. Yeah.
All right, we just got done having a little bit of grub. Sorry, no food vlog, but it was delish here at Frickers.
Oh.
I heard it. Why does the window come down?
So that's what like the newer vehicles do, so that you don't hit the glass.
Oh, I see. So it gets it out of the way of the frame?
Yeah.
Okay. So does this car have airbags?
For your sake, I hope so.
There's definitely not one in there.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to find out.
Nope. Safe and sound. All right, man. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I just wish the car show would have been, or the car meet would have been a little better, but it is November.
It's not your fault. Get out of this way. All right. Well, good seeing you, buddy.
Yep, same here.
Yeah.
And
All right.
Catch you later.
See you, America.
Bye, America. Oh, I'm still locked in.
Oh, yeah. You sure you didn't have anything to drink?
All right, I'll see you later.
All right.
Yeah. I'll send you some stuff too.
Okay. Till next time, right?
Yep. See ya. All right, and that's it for the car meet today. Kind of small, as you saw, but hey, it is November, and that's all we had going for today. So that's that. So until next time, I'll catch you later, and goodbye, America.
He died.
I should have got this on video. Start over.
Oh.